Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, today we received another pullback, including all the major altcoins. I mean, you see WIF is down 8%, Pepe is down 4%, while Doge is actually holding on to its price a little bit better. It is in a consolidation zone, but we have fallen below the 15-cent mark. At the same time, the trading volume has dipped below 900 million, which is concerning some of the people as the fear starts climbing. The reason for this, USDT on exchanges peaks as the market remains uncertain. People are deciding to hold stablecoin. Bank of Russia is trying to find a way to reveal the tracking system between freight to crypto, and this might be the reason why Doge is struggling. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button right there, slap a like on the video, just help the YouTube algorithm push the video out to more people. More people see the positive side of Doge, to decide to buy into it, it starts spiking up, all of us make a lot of profit. The higher social engagement, more whales will be buying into it. While we are on the topic of whales, this should give you a little bit of perspective. So this whale decided to sell about $48 million worth of Dogecoin on the 24th around the price of 16 cents. But when the price did dip today, you can see they purchased back about $13 million worth of Doge at the price close to 15 cents if you just average it out. So this should give you perspective that the whales are slowly trying to buy this dip and DCA into a lower price for Dogecoin. And one of the driving reasons on why the crypto market is so uncertain is because so much money is being held in USDT. I mean, on exchanges, it is at peak. The market is very uncertain, and let's just say a lot of people are also very fearful due to that reason. The market has had a skyrocket start to the Q2 of 2024. Start has led to the market participation sidelining. USDT held by exchanges reached a new high following the recent market's turbulence. Now, why is this a big deal? Because you need to understand all the money that's been held in USDT is one of the money that can be actually in one of the tokens and be helping push up the price. But if that increases, which is more people start using USDT and actually use stablecoin, therefore the market will become a little uncertain, and let's just say the chances of it going up will become a little bit more slimmer. Now, talking of Bank of Russia, so Russia has some problems with a lot of people buying crypto, and they don't like the freight money or the currency of Russia, which is rubles, I believe. And that is the reason why they're trying to find a tracking system to allow for freight money to crypto transactions to be revealed. Now, if this happens, you guys know this is just trying to narrow down people's opinion or options to be able to buy crypto or just have transactions without being tracked who did the transaction. Now, this could be taken in a positive way and negative way, but this is a big deal from a government or Bank of Russia. Now, this could be the reason why Doge is being held down. However, this is not the first time crypto whales have deposited their Dogecoin holding into any DEX. Following the release of the USDC or US CPI data, the ongoing geopolitical tension, many whales have deposited massive amounts of Dogecoin into DEX, resulting in a significant over 18% price fall in the market. So this should give you perspective why the Dogecoin price is being held down. It's just the whales are becoming a very uncertain and at the same time very confusing. And when they decide to sell at the wrong time, well, what's going to happen? Well, the market's going to be held down because the new people are buying in, but at the same time, the old people are selling way too much. So the market just stays in a consolidation phase. And that's exactly what we are facing right now. Now, the Dogecoin price right now is sitting close to 14.6 cents. If we decide to break a little bit below, the price might actually slow down close to 13 cents, which I'm very certain a lot of you guys do not want to see. But don't fear, right now that does not mean we are already in the free fall situation. But what I'm trying to say is this is a consolidation phase that we do not want to break. If we're able to just go back into this phase and just stay in this consolidation zone while the market is so uncertain, and once we start climbing back up, a lot of people would start to buy in and the price will start climbing a lot faster. So all I'm trying to say is right now it is very uncertain. There's a lot of whales which are trying to sideline themselves, and there are some whales which are buying huge amounts. I mean, this is a good example. This whale decided to buy $10 million worth at 16 cents, but ever since they have not purchased anything. Therefore, they're waiting for another better time to buy more. Talking about the open interest, it has dropped another 3% today, sitting close to 750 million. Talking about the liquidations for the long was quite a bad day. 1.6 million long liquidated, and at the same time the long to the short ratio is slowly starting to favor even stronger towards the long holders. Now I want to show you guys this. Dogecoin dollar to 5,300% in 48 hours looks to challenge Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. The UK media outlet Crypto Intelligence has teamed up with scammers promoting multiple instant rug pull daily on Solana network. Now, why is this a big deal? Because you guys need to understand the way that they actually promote these new tokens. I'm not saying all the new meme tokens are a scam, but using Dogecoin as a form of, you know, a way to get more people to be attracted, it's just not good, because this is just paid promotions, and I personally prefer that they just build their own network. You do not knock at the meme's door. It is the meme that comes knocking at yours. This was actually posted by the Dogecoin News and Advice brother, and you know, he's well known in the community. Now, Dogecoin's position on the list keeps interest in the meme coin alive, and this should give you a little bit of perspective how big Dogecoin is. Dogecoin alone is actually holding on to such a significant amount of the meme coin industry right now. Honestly, if Doge is just able to keep staying at the rate it is, by the end of this bull run, I would not be surprised if we are able to be over $1 in such a short time. The segment of meme coin heavily enjoys support from the community. For one, it does not take pride in entertaining the community members. Two, an ideal objective to stay in game and yield productive results for the token holders. And Doge does it all. At the same time, Dogecoin is in the golden run. The chart is still showing bullish run that should be happening very soon. You just need to be a little patient. Dogecoin price at risk. Can the 15-cent support be held? And the simple answer is no, because we have actually fallen below the 15-cent mark. This cannot be confirmed until the next 24 hours. If we're able to just make it back to the 15-cent barrier, that just means we just need to be a little patient, and obviously the price is able to keep holding. And Bitcoin conference to bring star-studded lineup of speakers to Hong Kong. Hong Kong was one of the first places that actually accepted Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs together, and there is going to be a big conference relating to Bitcoin, and this is obviously going to have a very positive impact on the overall market of Bitcoin. Honestly, right now Bitcoin is so uncertain itself, it's actually making it much harder for all the other tokens to show explosive move. Once we see that Bitcoin is able to take its next leg up, all the other tokens will be following very shortly. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, you want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.